Oh my gosh. Hi guys, today I'm making black beans in my Instant Pot. I'm using the IP Duo 60 7-in-1 6-quart electric pressure cooker. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have everything I need here and I have plugged in my Instant Pot. I have the sealing ring fully seated where it's supposed to be. I have 2 cups of black beans. And I've already sorted and rinsed them to make sure that I don't have any rocks or anything. 6 cups of water. I have 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. I have 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic and 3/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. Just going to give it a little stir. Make sure you have it on sealing, not venting. Now I'm just going to press manual and adjust the time to 37 minutes. Your Instant Pot will beep to let you know that it registered that 37 minutes, and then once it comes to pressure, the little pin on the top will pop up, and then your timer will start to count down from 37 on down. And then once it gets to 0, your Instant Pot will beep to let it sit for roughly 15 minutes, and then you can release the rest of the pressure. This made 1 quart of beans and 2 2/3 a cup of liquid. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please give me a thumbs up if it was, and let me know in the comments if you made them and what you thought. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.